Women's History Month is a time to reflect on the progress we've made while also recognising the work still ahead.
SnapWomen is Snap's largest ERG, which gives us the opportunity to do things all around the globe and touch a lot of team members.
I think I would describe the culture of SnapWomen as that of collaboration, leaning on each other and just being there for each other when needed.
In my region, we celebrate by hosting events that empower and inspire, whether it's a panel discussion, a career workshop, or just community or council sessions. But we want to highlight the achievements of women at Snap and beyond.
I think what we're finding super valuable about SnapWomen is the opportunity for the community at Snap and the external tech community to really lean in and help women look at their professional development and create networks that maybe they hadn't had prior to being part of the ERG.
I think the most important lesson that I've learned is that of allyship, not just with women from within my region and other regions, but also other ERGs and folks who are interested in supporting SnapWomen.